Thank you for participating in the Gaston College Open House and exploring the Automotive Systems Technology program. My name is Eric Rahm, Interim Dean of the Industrial Division and Automotive program. At Gaston College, we offer in the Automotive Systems Technology program an associate's degree, a diploma, 2 certificates, and a CCP pathway. Our industry is a very high-skilled, high-paying industry. We are a hands-on, interactive program where vehicles are pulled into the shop daily and we repair those vehicles and send them back out for operation. It's a highly skilled job that requires continuous training and continuous updating. If you would like more information in our program, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 704-922-6386 or my email at rom.eric@gaston.edu. Look forward to talking and meeting with you.